The Kramer Junction Solar Power Station is found in the midst of the Mojave Desert in California, where it's sunny on almost every day of the year. Curved mirrored panels face the sun so that its energy can be trapped. A whole sea of mirrored panels occupy an area of over 40 hectares, providing nearly 1 million square meters of mirrored surface area. The mirrors are arranged in long rows. Each one has a glass front, and behind that, a reflective surface made out of silver. There is also a ceramic backing to give the mirror some strength. The curved shape of the mirrors focuses the sun's energy on a long tube set up in front of each row. The outer part of the tube is glass and contains nothing, a vacuum. Inside this is another tube, which is made out of stainless steel and is filled with a heat transfer fluid. Thanks to the mirrors, the heat transfer fluid gets extremely hot. The vacuum helps to keep the heat from escaping from the fluid. The fluid is pumped into the tube and flows through 2 rows of mirrors. The fluid reaches a temperature of 391 degrees Celsius. To make sure that the mirrors are always facing the sun, each mirror has a light sensor, which, together with a computer, works out where the sun is. As the sun moves across the sky, a motor moves the mirror so that it's always facing the sun. After the fluid has travelled along 2 rows of mirrors, it's pumped back to what is called the power block. At the power block, there's a heat exchanger, where pipes containing water flow alongside the pipes containing the fluid. The heat of the fluid heats up the water and turns it into steam. The steam is then directed into a turbine which starts to spin, and this turns a generator which generates electricity. From here, the electricity goes into the wires that make up the electricity grid. This is a series of wires that takes electricity to homes and businesses.